My name is Alessandro Mattura. I'm a professor of physical metallurgy at the University of Birmingham, and I teach on a variety of programs, including material science and engineering and nuclear engineering here at the university. I'll start by preempting that I absolutely hate grading. It's one of the worst bits about my jobs. I really enjoy teaching. I really enjoy spending time with students. I really enjoy telling students how they can do better. But when it comes to actually going through their papers, it's just one of the worst parts of my job, and I really do not like it, and it takes me a long time. So what Graide helps me to do is become a lot more efficient. It keeps your marking very focused, and rather than having to come up with different types of feedback and feedback comments, it allows you to create a feedback framework that you can activate at a click of a button. So you can be a lot more consistent with your feedback. The boring parts of feedback, which are the summing up points and all those things, all disappear, and you can literally just focus on what are you telling the students that I can improve on. It's given me time, and I think it's given me better quality of feedback and more consistency as well. So creating an assignment is very easy. I can set up the questions that I want the students to answer. I can set up the deadlines and various other things connected to how I would like the students to be able to submit it and how I would like it to be marked. So I can assign different markers. I can assign markers based on questions. I can assign markers based on students, whichever way I want to do it. There's quite a lot of flexibility in that system. It is very simple to do, and it doesn't take very long. So I'd recommend Graide because it makes your life easy. I think relative to other grading platforms I've used, it really makes me more efficient. It makes me mark more in the time I've got available, and it makes my marking a lot better, a lot more consistent, and it makes it so that the students have got a lot more feedback to work on for the next assignment. The system is actually very intuitive to use. I think probably the bit that people spend a little bit more time on is actually deciding how you use it. There are various ways of actually using it. One of the nice things about it is that it's flexible in how you implement your marking. Over my time at the university, I've used a variety of different marking software, and all of them have helped me in improving and becoming more efficient and lower the level of procrastination in marking that I have. But I have to say that Graide has been the most effective, and it's mainly been down to the fact that all the boring and difficult bits of marking have been taken away from me altogether, and I literally have to just focus on what the student is writing and the type of feedback I want to relate to the student. What, in a way, I do in Graide is something I've been trying to do in a different grading platform by using clunky overlaying software that never quite worked as well. And so Graide provided this unique single platform that allowed me to do what I wanted to be doing, but that I wasn't able to do with the Graide platforms that I used before.